Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. Tonight, I'll be making some shrimp Alfredo. Check this out. Alright guys, so right now I'm about to start prepping my fresh veggies. You know, I have my green onions or scallions, whatever you want to call it. You want to, slice it up, dice it up a little. You're gonna dice your onion. This is a half onion.
It's just your turn today.
Alright, so your onions, green onions, all mixed together. Then you have your parsley right here. You're gonna do the same thing. Just mince it up a little. This is gonna be my garnish that goes on the pasta after it's done. You wanna make sure it's finely chopped, you know? And I have my butter right here as well. This is gonna be going in the saute pan, get it melted. All right guys, so these are some of the ingredients you're gonna need to season the shrimp. The shrimp is already peeled, clean and all that good stuff. You have blackened seasoning, salt, minced garlic, parsley, onions, green onions, and I'm gonna go ahead and add all that stuff, all the seasoning.
Bubble boy. Hi, bubble boy.
And my parsley, that's gonna be last once the pasta is done. I'm gonna sprinkle it on top. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and knead everything together, mix everything together. And let it sit for about, I'll say 10-15 minutes. Shrimp, it's easily marinated. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in a saute pan. Once the pan is hot, with some melted butter. So just move on over here and check it out. All right, so your next step, you wanna make sure you have boiling water. Once the water starts to boil, add some salt, maybe a teaspoon. Then you're gonna add your pasta. I'm using linguine pasta, all right? Next thing, add a little bit of oil, cooking oil or olive oil, and raise bean. This will prevent your pasta from sticking together. You don't want that to start sticking. So while your pasta is being cooked, usually once your water starts to boil, it usually takes like 5 minutes for your pasta to be al dente. While it's being cooked, you want to go ahead and start heating your butter, melting your butter. Right now my butter, as you can see, it's already melted. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stove to a little bit high, Then I'm gonna add my shrimp that I seasoned previously, earlier. And you wanna let it cook for like a minute on each side, all right? Let your shrimp cook for like about a minute on both sides, and after that we're gonna go ahead and add some Chardonnay white wine, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, and some grated cheese as well, Parmesan. So stay tuned, and And you usually want to cook all your seasoning with the shrimp. You know, reason being, the shrimp will soak all that flavor up from the onions, you know, garlic, and all the seasoning. Everything will be marinated and cooked together evenly. So as you can see, the shrimps are almost like they're basically done. So in a few seconds, I'll add some white wine, and that white wine is going to give it a nice flavor. Then I'll add my cream and all that good stuff, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and add the white wine, you know. Oh my God, I could already, you know, start to smell a nice white wine flavor. Can you smell it? Yes, you can.
Purchase your tracks today.
Smell this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some heavy cream. You know, and once I add the heavy cream, I'm gonna let it reduce some. All right. Once it started to dry out a little, then I'll start to add my dry ingredients like my Parmesan cheese, you know, which is already grated, and then I'm gonna add some fresh Parmesan cheese as well. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so my pasta is already done. What you wanna do is you wanna, you know, go towards your sink, grab a colander, and pour that water off along with the pasta, all right? Because you don't want all that water mixed with your shrimp and Alfredo, all that juice. All right, so shake it off. All right, put it back over here, let it drain some, and then I'm gonna add your dry ingredients with the shrimp and all that good stuff. All right, so guys, now I'm adding the dry ingredient, the grated Parmesan. Okay, you wanna add like maybe, I'll say a half a cup.
Bye, Bubble Boy. Bye, Bubble Boy.
Now, I'm gonna start to grate my fresh Parmesan cheese. Give it an extra cheesy, creamy, thick flavor. All right, and that should be good. All right, so now I will be adding my pasta to this mix. And now, as you can see, it is finito. It's done, completed. All right, nice and cheesy, creamy, juicy, all the good stuff. This is just pure deliciousness, you know. And you want to turn that stove off because you don't want to overcook your pasta or the shrimp. All right, and now I'm about to plate it. All right, guys, so
Purchase your tracks today.
here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Nice, creamy shrimp Alfredo. Look at this, baby. There you go. Now we're gonna finish it off with some nice parsley, chopped parsley. You don't want to do too much. And a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. All right. And that's it. There you have it. Delicious, pure deliciousness.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below. Let us know how we did and what you'd like to see us do next. One love.